Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering the physical items you need for a wired connection. Get a Cat5e or Cat6 Ethernet cable approximately 3 meters long and a router power cable. Confirm your PC has a working Ethernet port or a USB Ethernet adapter if needed. Place the router near your PC and a broadband modem. Plug the modem into the wall power and connect the router to the modem using the WAN port. Power on the modem and wait for stable LED activity before proceeding to the PC. Open your operating system network settings to configure the adapter for internet access. In Windows, go to Network Connections and right-click your Ethernet adapter to choose Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and set it to obtain an IP address automatically using DHCP. If you need a fixed address, assign a static IP such as 192, 168, 1, 50 with subnet 255, 255, 255, 0 and gateway 192, 168, 1, 1. Check device. Verify the connection by running a simple ping to a public DNS server such as 8, 8, 8, 8. Open command prompt and type ping 8, 8, 8, 8 to confirm packets are sent and received. If pings fail, restart the router and the PC, then try a different Ethernet cable. Inspect the router status page for WAN IP and DNS assignment. Disable firewall or antivirus briefly while diagnosing to rule out block traffic. If problems persist, note error codes and contact your ISP for line-level testing and support.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.